In this video, I'm about to show you how to translate WhatsApp chats into English. First, open your Play Store on your mobile device. Now search for Hi Translate and tap on the app in the search result. Next, download the application by tapping the install button. Once the download is complete, open the Hi Translate app. After that, tap on Grant Permission to give the app necessary access. Now, search for Hi Translate in the setting and tap on it. Next, turn the toggle on to allow display over other apps. Then, tap on Accept to agree to the app's terms. After that, tap on Continue to proceed. Once all the settings are done, open your WhatsApp application. Then, open any chat where you want to translate a message. Now, tap on any message you want to translate. Then, tap on the Hi Translate app icon that appears. Next, tap on the page to start translating. Then, tap on Turn On to enable translation. Now, turn the toggle on for On to activate the feature. After that, tap on Talkback and check if the translation works. Go back and tap on Downloaded Apps. Now, tap on Hi Translate. Turn the toggle on for Use Hi Translate. Then, tap on Allow to confirm. Next, turn the toggle on for Hi Translate shortcut. Now, go back to WhatsApp and tap on the Hi Translate icon from the left side of the screen. You should now see the message to translate it into English. You can also choose more languages if you wish to translate into a different language. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.